Tkinter Chatbot in Tkinter tutorial, we're able to reach to this particular point that will make the where we want our test to be scrollable. The reason we want it to be scrollable is the situation whereby the test is long. The test that our chatbot printers for us is very long. We need to actually make it to be scrollable, because if it's too long, it can occupy this entire space. And even though it's done occupying it, if we don't make the environment scrollable, we cannot actually view other tests. So there's another way video we did. We actually thought there was actually a problem. Our scroll bar was actually here, just that it's a little bit light for us to see. And also there's something else I want to also explain in this video. Like I said, this guy here, this main guy is the frame, like the main layer is the frame, that the canvas is being wrapped on it, and the inside of that canvas is the frame that we're going to initialize everything, that maybe we are going to put our test, the chatbot printer. But let me explain this by changing the color of this background so we render. So let's try changing the frame, the background frame. I can set DG. I'm going to set it to red. Set this to red. Let's set the scribble frame to somewhere around white so we can differentiate all these guys. So let me run it again. You can see there's something that is happening here. This yellow guy signifies that is the main guy, that is the main frame, which was what we said the background color here be yellow. And then the next thing was this red, which was this of our canvas that we set to red here. And the next thing was this our scribble bar. We're not going to definitely see much, but the scribble bar, most times the color doesn't actually show up. Most times I've tried is stubborn at times to show, but we can now see our scroll bar between these places. I don't know why this is the reason why our main frame tend to extend a little bit, because of the column span. If I to reduce it to somewhere around 2, let me close this. Let me run it again. You can see it reduces a little bit, so we can make use of it too this way. If we make it 1, it's going to close up a little bit, but I think like this is okay. So you can see that this is our main frame, this is our canvas that is shining red, our main frame is shining yellow, and then this is our scroll bar that is kind of edged by the right hand side here. So you can see that like I said in our previous video, we didn't have any problem, just a little bit minor thing that I didn't actually see it very well, that I said I'll have problem, but our script currently to this point is working. So the next thing we're going to do is to implement that of when we click on this search button. When we click on this search button, guy, what is going to happen? So we're going to add that of the function here. That's basically what we're going to do in this video, or let's do it in the next video, so this video won't be too long. So I think in the next video we're going to add a function for this of our test. So until we enter here, it's going to be sent to that of our chatbot, and then we click on search. The output is going to be displayed there. So before that, let me change this background to somewhere around gray. The background is for that our canvas. Let me set it to gray. I think gray will be bad, so let me do it again. You can see I think we did this is now terrible with this yellow side color, and here is gray, and then here is scroll bar. When we put test, we can able to make a scroll. So now next we are going to add a function for this of test, and then when we hit search, it's going to be dropped down. We'll be making use of this of our scribble frame. Where's that guy? This scribble frame, because this scribble frame actually inherited from that is on top of this of our canvas, meaning that all our text is going to be inside of this scribble frame. It's not hard for us to understand. If you are watching my video, this Tkinter tutorial to this point, it's like an easy thing for you to actually do. The scribble frame is going to be the guy that is going to hold our test on it. Now here is going to be this guy being of a guy is going to check whether there's any changes as they're trying to adjust, and then we created a window and the configure. Well, now next we are going to do that of the function to do that. This way we'll draw the curtain for the day. If you enjoy, subscribe, won't take money from your pocket. So I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.